Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to convert numbers into words in Google Sheets, especially for INR currency values in Hindi, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn numerical amounts like 1,250 into full words, just like you see printed on official documents. This is super handy for invoices, receipts, or any situation where you need those currency numbers written out in words. Alright, let's dive straight in. First things first, we're going to need a special Google Sheets add-on called Numbatext. Think of add-ons like handy little power-ups for your spreadsheet, giving you new abilities that don't come built in. So with your Google Sheet open, take a look up at the top menu and find Extensions. It's right there between Format and Help. Give that a click, then hover your mouse over Add-ons. In the submenu that pops out, click on Get Add-ons. This opens up the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is almost like an app store, but just for useful tools inside Google Sheets. Now there's a handy search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Numbatext. As you type, you'll see several options come up, but you want the one simply called Numbatext. Click it and then hit Install. It may ask for some permissions. Don't worry, that's normal since it needs access to your sheet data to work. If it asks for authorization, go ahead and allow access. Once it's installed, that's it for setup. No need to close or reopen your spreadsheet. Great, now you're ready to actually use the add-on. Let's move over to the data you want to convert. Say you have a number in cell A2 like 7563. Click the cell where you want the word version to appear. Now here where the magic happens. Type in the formula upwards monotux to INR. Hi, let me break that down for you. A2 is your number, INR tells it you want Indian rupees, and Hi is the language code for Hindi. If your amount is in a different cell, just replace A2 with that reference. And if you want currency in a different format or language, you can adjust those codes as needed. Once your formula is typed in, press Enter. It might take just a moment depending on your internet speed or if it's the first time using the add-on, but you'll soon see your number magically spelled out in words in Hindi with the full INR currency description. This can be such a lifesaver when you're making financial documents or filling in bank forms, where numbers and words are often required. Don't worry if you run into a tiny delay or something doesn't look right at first. Double-check your formula for typos, especially for the currency codes and language tags. Google Sheets is particular about those, and remember you can use other currencies and languages with this same function. For example, if you wanted the amount in US dollars, you type upwards monotux, ATA USD. It's incredibly flexible. So that's all it takes to convert numbers to words in Google Sheets, tailored for INR and Hindi. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions, maybe about using other currencies or trouble with the add-on, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Google Sheets tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.